The best nutrition tips for muscle growth. Building muscle is a multifaceted process that involves not only a strategic workout routine but also a well-rounded and nutritionally sound approach. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a beginner looking to enhance muscle mass, paying attention to your dietary choices is crucial. Here are some of the best nutrition tips to optimize muscle growth and support your fitness goals. 1. Adequate protein intake. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle growth, as it provides the essential amino acids needed for repairing and building muscle tissue. Aim for a protein-rich diet that includes sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based protein like tofu or tempeh. Consider spreading your protein intake evenly throughout the day to maximize muscle protein synthesis. 2. Protein timing matters. The timing of your protein intake is as important as the total amount. Consuming protein-rich meals or snacks around your workouts can enhance muscle protein synthesis. A pre-workout meal with both protein and carbohydrates and a post-workout meal or shake within the first hour after exercise can be particularly beneficial for muscle recovery. 3. Balanced macronutrients. While protein is crucial, don't neglect the importance of carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for intense workouts, and fats play a role in hormone production, including testosterone, which is essential for muscle growth. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, and include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. 4. Caloric surplus for muscle gain. To build muscle, you need to be in a caloric surplus, meaning you consume more calories than your body burns. This provides the extra energy needed for muscle growth. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Too much of a surplus can lead to excessive fat gain. Aim for a moderate caloric surplus, typically around 250 to 500 calories above your maintenance level. 5. Hydration is key. Staying well hydrated is often overlooked but is crucial for optimal muscle function and recovery. Water plays a role in nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and overall cellular function. Dehydration can hinder your workout performance and slow down the muscle building process. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider hydrating beverages like herbal teas and electrolyte-rich sports drinks. 6. Include micronutrients. Essential vitamins and minerals play a vital role in muscle growth and overall health. Ensure your diet is rich in micronutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Specific micronutrients like vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and zinc are particularly important for bone health and muscle function. 7. Supplement wisely. While whole foods should be the primary source of nutrients, supplements can fill gaps in your diet. Whey protein, for example, can be a convenient way to meet your protein needs, especially post-workout. Creatine, a naturally occurring compound in the body, is a well-researched supplement that may enhance muscle strength and growth. Consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before adding supplements to your routine. 8. Prioritize post-workout nutrition. After a workout, your body is primed for nutrient absorption. Consuming a balanced meal or snack containing protein and carbohydrates within the first hour post-exercise can replenish glycogen stores and kickstart the muscle recovery process. This is a critical window for maximizing the benefits of your workout. 9. Quality sleep for recovery. Adequate sleep is a powerful factor in muscle recovery and growth. During sleep, the body releases growth hormone, which contributes to tissue repair and muscle growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to optimize recovery and support your muscle building efforts. 10. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can negatively impact muscle growth by elevating cortisol levels, a hormone associated with muscle breakdown. Incorporate stress-reducing activities such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your routine to promote overall well-being and support muscle building goals.